External constraints are very important situation-related considerations when we're putting together a case. And what we're looking at here is what is happening now that might be influencing our audience's point of view. So, for example, a few years ago, Congress was debating on whether or not to adopt a cap and trade system to regulate carbon emissions. And they had an agreement or a working agreement amongst both Republican and Democratic senators that they would propose a bill that involved capping emissions and exploring more options for offshore oil drilling. Well, as they were working through this, the April 2010 Gulf oil spill that involved BP happened. And as a result, the option of creating more offshore drilling started to become less of a political winner. And as a result, we ended up with no cap and trade bill because that agreement that was based on capping emissions and using more offshore drilling fell apart. And so we have to be able to consider what are the current events that are impacting people's views and how is that going to influence how they're going to see our proposition. We absolutely have to be able to consider those things and then address them in our policy case.